Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today though, we are doing something a little bit special because tomorrow is our baby shower. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so much fun. We've got about 50 or 60 adults and like 20 kids, so it's gonna be absolutely chaos, but so much fun. We're actually doing a bit different to usual, so we're actually gonna have a gin distillery and everyone's invited. It's not just like females like you'd normally do it. So it's gonna be heaps and heaps of fun. And I have to bake a cake for it. So I actually baked those yesterday. I baked 2 carrot cakes and I'm gonna stack them and decorate them today. So we're gonna time lapse me decorating these cakes. So I'm gonna be baking, so yesterday I baked my carrot cakes. So those are up on my channel and on my website if you wanna have a look at those recipes. And the frosting is gonna be cream cheese frosting. And then the decorations, I'm still kind of deciding what to do. It's just all gonna come together probably at the last minute. But I've got some really pretty colored pearls. I've got some fake flowers, and I've got a really nice cake topper as well. So let's get to it. So my cakes are sitting over there ready to be made up and look beautiful. So I baked those yesterday and I had my mom and dad here and they were like, what on earth are you baking? It smells amazing. So I was like, excellent, that is a good start. So yes, it's the carrot cake. Everybody loves this carrot cake. If you haven't made it, check it out. And it just works so perfectly with that cream cheese frosting. So I've got these little fake flowers here that I'm gonna cut up as well to put on top of the cake. I would usually do fresh flowers, but I just didn't want to have to go get them tomorrow morning. And then I've also got these little pearls here. So the colors that we're going with for the baby shower are white, gold, pink, and sage. And I've got some little gold leaf here, which I might use. I haven't decided. And then I also have a cake topper. So if you didn't know, we're having twins, so 2 babies. That's why my tummy is so big. So I'm only 27 weeks and check out the size of this belly. So they say when you're pregnant with twins, when you're about 28 weeks, it's pretty much equivalent to being full term with the singleton. So I've still got a little while to go. But anyways, how cute is this cake topper? It says, "Oh babies." Okay, so that is enough talking. I need to get this frosting happening and get this cake ready to go so we can just grab it tomorrow morning. And I love decorating cakes. I used to do so many of them when I worked at the bakery. You'd either be on baking shift or cake decorating shift. And they'd all have a different kind of design. And I really like doing it now by myself as well because you can just be completely creative. Obviously, when you work in a bakery or somewhere where you're cake decorating, you normally have to make them follow a certain type of design. But when you're doing it for yourself, you just get completely creative. So yeah, and that's what I'm gonna do today. As I said, I haven't thought of exactly what I'm gonna do, but I have some things in mind. And the beauty of cake decorating too is that if you don't like it, you can change it. So you're not set in concrete, and the icing is, you can manipulate it. So anyways, I'm talking too much. Time to make this icing. There you go, guys. This has all come together. I wasn't sure how it was going to work out. I knew I wanted to have the little beads on it though, and I think it looks super cute with the colors. So we've got the pink, the green, and the white and the gold, which is the theme of, or the color theme for the party tomorrow. So yeah, it looks super awesome. I hope that you like it. I got a bit creative and I just think it looks quite cute actually. So I'm sure my twins are gonna love it when they eat it tomorrow in the belly. And I hope everyone else loves it as well. So there are a couple of things that I would recommend considering when you are going to bake a cake for an event or a special occasion. So some things to start thinking about in advance. I had to start running down my fridge just to make some room space. So the cakes, because it's going to be tiered, I'm gonna cut the cake in half, and I've got 2 cakes. So it's gonna be four layered cake. So we need the height. So yeah, I'm gonna have to change up my fridge a little bit. Something else that you can do is if you need to make a cake in advance, which a lot of people do because they can't make it the day before or the day of because it's just too stressful and there's too many other things to consider, you can freeze it. So you just need to wrap it really well in tin foil and then bring it out of the freezer. I would say either the morning or that you're gonna ice it, or if you're gonna do it like overnight, early in the morning. So take it out that night and then it'll be ready to go in the morning. Something else for your frosting. So you want to pick a frosting that pairs really well with the cake. So some cakes call for more sweeter frostings. So in that case, you would use a buttercream frosting, and then some other ones like the carrot cake work a lot better. You can use buttercream as well, but I just think that the cream cheese works a lot better with that type of cake. So if you're going to be in hot temperatures as well, I would really avoid the cream cheese frosting and just use the buttercream because it keeps better because there's more sugar in it and you don't have the cream cheese that's going to go off. So just little things like that. And then if you are doing the cream cheese frosting, I've just had mine sitting out this morning, coming to room temperature, because when you are working with cream cheese, it does need to be room temperature. If it's too cold, it'll go a bit lumpy. And I've also been having this butter sit out as well. This you can microwave to get it to the consistency that you want, so it can be less hard. And I probably will microwave this for like maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You just don't want it fully melted. You want it kind of like in between liquid and solid. So yeah, there's just some pointers there for you. And I hope they help for your baking. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today while I decorated the beautiful carrot cake here for my twins' baby shower tomorrow. Don't forget, this cake there's a video recipe up on my channel and on my website, so I'll leave it in the description box below for you. And for the full recipe to download and print for free, head to lebonbaker.com. I'll include some pictures of the baby shower. Wish us luck for tomorrow, and I'll see you again next week. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell as well because I have a new video every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.